Everybody, we're back in the range today. I'm going to show you the Elite Force M4A1 competition series. When you open the box, everybody does get an owner's manual registration card. Make sure you fill that out, send it in. You do have a 60-day replacement warranty on these. Complete with 2 high-cap mags. Underneath the tray does come with an 8.4 starter battery and a wall charger, although we do recommend at some point you upgrade to a smart charger and a 9.6. The gun itself comes complete with fiber body, metal barrel system, removable carry handle, functioning charging handle used simply to expose the hop-up, car stock. Internally, you do have a full metal gearbox and metal gears. We have a new and improved all-metal tooth piston. These do have the micro switch triggers and the quick change spring functions for the gearbox. This allows you to adjust velocity a lot easier. For this particular gun, we do recommend a 2.0 or heavier. I'll show you guys how to install your battery now. Simply pull back on your delta ring, expose half, and when you place these in there, set aside on either side. Keep the wires out of the way. Pressing on the delta ring again, pops it back into place. You're good to go. There you go, guys, the Elite Force M4A1. You can find this online or at your local Elite Force dealer. Thanks.